And I'm at the end of the Böda coast at Ängjärnsudden, right after the Bödakustens Ostra Naturreservat, and it's the end of the world feeling indeed. So the beach over here is with pebbles and rocks. There is also a huge forest where you will be invaded by flies and other insects or animals for sure. And I have been running to here 8.6 kilometers, actually combined running and walking. Around 5 kilometers run and then 3.6 kilometers walk. I can't believe I was walking all the way from the beginning over there. It feels surreal, but I'm here and I'm ready to explore. So I wanted to take a swim, and I will for sure, despite being very, how to say, questionable because of the seaweed. But I will definitely go in because it is the same sea as in Böda, Sand, the main beach. And after the swim I will need to run back, actually walk and run back, but I will make a stop on several beaches along the way. So yes, it is 24th of June, Monday. I'm on vacation and it is 5 p.m. right now, and currently it is 18 degrees Celsius based on Google, 23 based on Swedish Weather Institute. But I'm always putting the weather temperatures from Google, so yeah. But it feels like 40 in the sun, it's so hot and warm. In the sea it is 18 degrees where I measured. I won't have time to measure now, but I will just go with the flow that it is 18 degrees here as well. And here we have big rocks at the entrance, so it's gonna be a bit challenging for a swim, but it's not my first time swimming in this setting. I just need to make sure not to fall and break my GoPro from a rock. But yeah, I'm all alone, there is no living soul over here. And even on the way here, it was basically only few people I met in the whole nature reserve. So very slippery, but I didn't run that long not to take a swim right here, right? So yes, Beach Adventures with Chris. We are in Öland and I'm exploring the coast, the beautiful coast here in Böda. This is the east coast, but the sun is still up and it's gonna be up on this coast until 9, then it's gonna set behind the forest. The actual sunset time, it's 10:30 I think right now. It was the longest day of the year a few days ago. Alright, now I'm here at fairly deep water for a swim, which is good. It's not that far from the coast. So yes, it's time for the second swim at this end of the world beach here, all for myself and for the flies that were flying around me. It's called Ängjärnsudden. Cool, then let's take a swim. Let's go. It's nice. The water, the sea is amazing. Despite not being sandy, it's still cool. It gives definitely end of the world vibes. So then, thank you so much for watching this episode, and check also my running adventure to check my road all the way how I got here at this beach spot. Now I'm going to continue to explore. There will be more beach adventures along the coast. I saw some beautiful, nice sandy beaches, including a nudist one. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.